Evening all, Bobby, 2 pounds breaks. It is Saturday, December the 10th. We are breaking Bombox Jerseys Plus. We randomed up our 12 remaining box numbers. 22 is what we got. We did random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams customers, alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Makes trading a little easier. Did give him a couple minutes, but nothing got accepted. Just double checking my chat one last time here. All right, folks. Pop, pop. Ready. Bam. Gonna be a nice hit for somebody, guys. Gonna be a Brett Favre. Actually has a decent sized sig for Favre. Has the Favre hologram, guys. Also has the JSA sticker on it, folks. Bam. Also going to be the Clark spot, y'all. With the Kevin Smith Funko Pop. And last going to be Kansas City with the Patrick Mahomes MVP contenders for the KC spot, y'all. All right, bam. Again, nice big sig for a Brett Favre. It has the JSA and Favre hologram, guys. And this is one of the nice old customs, guys. I don't know if you can see the material on this, but these are the older style, really nice customs. Very good quality, way better quality than a lot of the ones you're seeing today, I'll tell you that. It's actually a very nice jersey, guys. All right, so who is a Green Bay? Jesus, Cherubim, man. Wow, I am very sorry, everybody else. Cherubim on a little bit of a roll here, man. Cherub's hit a few nice things this series. All right, who is KC? Well, Jason's going to get the Mahomes. I'm sorry, G there, yeah. Sorry, everybody else. Who has Clarks, though? Well, it's going to be a YPO, man. Another one who stepped into the room lately again and has had himself some friggin' decent luck, man. YPO stepping back in after a while. Taking himself some nice hits. Guys, get rid of some of the stuff we pulled here tonight. I'm grabbing Mr. Kevin Smith here. will be Kevin Smith, the Amazon exclusive JSA certification on that. Again, that's going to YPO. Alright, that's going to wrap up the opening portion of our break. Let me bring up our randoms. I'm going to put Chera. Alright, here we go. This is your qualifier. Double sixes. Six, 7, 11, 12 times. Joey and Steve. $45 and $46 on the qualifiers, guys. We are down to 11 boxes left in the series. Breakers.TV, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bob at 2 Pops Breaks.